Okay, good morning. Today is 7th of July. Morning time is around 6 o'clock, and we are here at Visakhapatnam airport, and we are all set for takeoff. And this is my beautiful machine, Monster 185. Now I will be wearing this and I will show you 5-point check. So look properly. Before that, see that beautiful sunrise. So first step, make sure that these straps are out. They are not, see if they are entangled, they will be entangled beneath this machine. So make sure that you lift it up and it is clear. Okay. Next step, keep putting it here. Sit down and keep your other foot. This is your power foot. Keep your other foot inside this. Sit like this. Then after that, just how you wear school bag, wear the school bag. 1 and 2. Okay, just for support, keep the knee down, wear your school bag. After that, keep the body forward momentum, not required to put any hands on ground. Just give a little push and stand. And make sure that your throttle is stored somewhere here so that you can easily take it out. Now next is you can put it in your hand and you are all set. Now I will show you how to connect up with the wing. So as you can see, our wing is already laid out. I will do little bit more corrections. Again from wing we are coming back to motor. So let me show you 5-point check. Okay Sushil, there are 5-point checks. I told you last time also. We will start from our thighs.
Yes.
The most important buckle is the thigh buckle or the thigh strap. So let us secure this. Use this and put it here. Check it thoroughly whether it is locked. Okay, you can see it is locked. Here again. Use this and put it here. Lock. So this is the 2 buckles on which your entire body weight will be there till the time you don't take your seat. So very important buckle, make sure that you put it. Next, coming to the waist buckle. So waist buckle is here and we shall put the waist buckle also. Next is the chest block. So here you see this red color thing. You put this as your chest strap, right? Next you can secure all your loose points. Like in my case, this junction box is likelihood to it can fall. So we'll close the velcro and secure it. Any loose points in your body should be checked. Okay. Now we will do what is something known as 5-point check. 1 and 2. Okay. Then 3. Then your chest strap. And then your buckle. So I am done with my 5-point check and we are all ready to connect up with the wing. Now I will show you how to connect with the wing. So what I am basically trying to do today is a forward launch. The wind is coming from that direction. Can you please show that side? That is the direction from which the wind is coming. So it's around 7 to 8 kilometers per hour. And we intend to do a forward launch. Right? So we'll connect up in reverse. Sushil will assist me in turning in forward direction. And then I'll lift up the wing. I'll run and do a forward launch. So let us see how to do a connect up with the wing. First of all, make sure that all your lines are tangle free. There should be no tangle. So hold it from the riser system. This is the riser system. Hold it from the place where you connect up with your carabiner on your system. Hold it like this. Lift up the A's. Just check that the A lines are free. See, in this case, this line is entangled. So just a little bit of toss and it will be down. See? If it doesn't come this way, then pull the other line. Pull it like this and it is down, right? Similarly, all other lines. So as of now, I have already removed all the tangles, so it is completely free to be connected now. It's ready to be connected. Similarly, we will do the check on the other line also. One last check. Okay, so everything seems okay. And now we can give call to ATC for our final takeoff. So we'll give call. Tower Kite 1. Ready for takeoff, Sierra 3. Kite 1. Kite 1. So we have been given clearance for takeoff, and shortly I'll be starting off my engine, and Sushil will be helping me in taking off. So how to connect up. So this is how we connect in the reverse this thing. You can leave the throttle as of now, and with the A's on top, hold it like this. Since I'm going to turn from the left, I will give a 180-degree clockwise left turn. 180-degree anti-clockwise. I stand corrected, anti-clockwise left turn like this. And I put it in my carabiner like this. Left goes left, right goes right. It is very simple. You don't have to put any logic in this. Okay, now I will ask Sushil to help me in going to forwards.